Hello all, welcome to the third session of Java Fundamental Tutorials. So in this session, we will learn how we can download Eclipse in our system. So let's begin the journey. So we will just type Eclipse download on Google and you will get this link from eclipse.org. You will click on this link and now when you'll scroll down, you'll get to see the download icon. So we'll click on this and again we will click on download and it will get downloaded in your system. So let's wait for 2-3 minutes and it will be downloaded in our system. Yeah, so we can see that the Eclipse got downloaded in our system. I will double click on this and yeah, so the installer is opening. We'll wait for a few seconds and yeah, so you will get options like this. Then you will select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then I will click on install and the installation is in progress. We will wait for a few seconds and the installation will be completed. After that, we will see the background area of Eclipse and we will get to see the features of Eclipse in this video. Meanwhile, there must be a question in your mind that why we are preferring Eclipse and not IDE and not IntelliJ or NetBeans. So we are preferring Eclipse because many features in the Eclipse we can opt for free, but when it comes to NetBeans and IntelliJ, there is we need to take a premier subscription to access many of the features. I will click on launch. And yeah, so our Eclipse IDE is getting started and it is launching for us. So here you will see there's an option to choose a workspace. If you want to choose a different workspace, then you can browse and you can choose a workspace for yourself by creating. But I will go with the default option and then I will click on launch. So now the Eclipse is launching for us. Yeah, so I will maximize the window and yeah, so this is Eclipse for us. So on the top side you can see we have different menus for different work. There's a file option. On the file new you can create Java project, packages, classes, interfaces, and all the other options is also given to us. And you can run the project by just simply clicking on run, right? And on the Windows tab, when you click on the Windows tab, you will see these are the options that we are given to us. When you'll click on the Help tab, then you can see Eclipse Marketplace and other options are given to us. So Eclipse Marketplace you can use to download the plugins that will be required further to run your project. On the right hand side, you can see a option perspective. So you will get to see these many options into it. So I will choose Java default because in the upcoming videos, we will be rigorously working on Java fundamentals, that is Java core. So because of which I will be using Java default as my perspective, but you can use Java browsing if you are working with the web part as well, which we will shortly work. But for now, I will choosing Java default and I will click on open and I will cross this welcome tab. And yeah, so let's create one Java project. Then I'll click on create a Java project. I can name the project as my first project. Yeah, so let's 18 will be fine, I think. Then I will click on next and finish. So yeah, so this is the project name. That is my first project. When you will open this, then you will get to see a JRE system library and SRC. So when you will click on SRC, then there is a default .java file. What we will do, we will just delete this. Yeah. So now what I will do, I will create one package into this project. So I will click on package and I will give the package name as shape. Let's give the shape name. Then I will click on finish. Again, I will just right click on my package and I will click on new class. Then in this way, I can create a class under my package. So I'm giving it a name as circle. These are the modifiers. So in the upcoming videos, you'll get to see what the modifiers are, why we use modifiers. Now I will click on finish. Yeah, so this is the class. So here you can see on the first line, package shape is written. That means our package name is shape. In the third line, you can see public class circle. So the class name is circle.
So let's try to run this class, right? To run any Java class, there should be a main method inside the class because the execution starts from the main method. So we will write public static void main. In the upcoming videos, we'll get to see that why we are writing public static void main, why this is important, right? For now, we are just using it. So we will just and this. Then I will write sys o and control space. Then in double quotes, I will write hi and circle, right? So I will try to run this Java file. First, I'll try to save, then I'll press Control S. The file will be saved. Then I will click on run and see here we can see the output. Hi, I am circle. So in this way, you can run a Java program in Eclipse. Right, let's create one more class. Then I'll again click on new class. I can get the name as Square and I will say finish. And I will get this Square class. I will copy the same thing and I will paste here and I will just change circle with square. And now let's save the file and run. Yeah, so you can see hi, I'm square, it get printed. So you will be seeing the output on the console, right? So this is all about the tutorial, and we will continue to progress in Java fundamental in the upcoming videos. So for further videos, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.